Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to estimate or how to do regression. First we will do a simple linear regression, next we will do multiple linear regression. So initially in the previous video I've said how to import the data set. So I will just import my data set. Um, so here I have imported my data set which has y variable and an n variable. So we need to do a simple linear regression, so we can easily do so in the console whatever the command or whatever the codes you need to enter, it should be in the console. So first initially we need to give some name for our estimation. So I will give as fit is equal to linear regression, that is lm. So my dependent variable is y and my independent variable is n. So data. So here you can see y depends on n, that is the n variable. So after that we need to give our data name or the source of the data. So my data source is data is equal to book1. So if you missed in entering the data is equal to book1, you cannot estimate it. See, you can see that object y not found. So it is major to enter your data name, because it needs a direction to take from where from the data should be taken. So that's why you have to give your data name. So now summary, it has estimated and you need the summary for what we have given a name fit. So summary fit. So here you can see the coefficient and the x variable, and from this you can see the standard error is given, t value is given, and probability is even probability, I mean the p value with respect to calculated t value is also given. So from this you can easily interpret that the main advantage from other softwares is that it gives us the significant, whether it is significant or not significant. Here you can see it is 3 stars, which means that it is significant at 1% level of significance at 1%. So it is a acceptable one. So this is a short simple linear regression estimation method. Only actually just two things you have to do. One is, first you need to assign or establish your model. After that you need to summary, a simple two-step model which can be used easily for estimating the simple linear regression model. And another one is, if you need to plot the data points in the graph, it is very simple. Just type plot fit. So here you can see 4 types of plots has been given. It is residual versus fitted, and normal QO, and scale location. And there are 4 types of graphs being plotted. But I think you may not need this type of graphs. So you need only the values, which is whether it is linear or non-linear. You have to check. So nothing but you just need a simple plot y variable depends on n. Sorry, you need to give the data where it is located. So here you can see your data has been plotted versus y versus n. So it is very easy. And if you need the fitted model to be plotted on this, you just need to type AB line fit. So here you can see the linear model linear value as well as your original data value. So if you need your predicted values to be shown, it is very simple. Predict So here are the predicted values for respective y. This is a short intro of a simple linear regression model. So if you need multiple, if suppose you have a different or 4 or 5 or 6 variables, so what is the procedure? It is simple, same as the linear model, simple linear model. So I have a data set for another one. So here you can see different variables are there. I have 5 variables, independent variables, and y is called a dependent variable. If you need to analysis this type of linear, it is nothing, it is easy, fit, same, lm. So here y belongs to all, so y belongs to x1, sorry, x2, x3, x4, x5 plus x6, comma data is equal to MLR. So summary fit. So here you can easily derive all the coefficients, and here you can see the interrupt is significant, and the x3 variable is significant, and x4 variable is significant. So none other than variables are non-significant. So in this manner you can easily estimate linear or multiple linear models. So first of all, I need to explain some definitions of regression. So what does mean by regression? Regression is nothing but it is used to estimate the relation between two variables, or how much it is dependent on another variable, or how much effect does it gives to another variable. So this is a simple definition for regression. I hope so you have learned some of the codes for estimating a linear model. So if you like, just subscribe my channel, and as well as give your comments, so it can be useful to improve the videos. Thank you.